That's gonna hit the ground. It's gonna hit the ground.
Gotta get lifted up. Yeah, there you go. Down and push. Ah.
We live on a nice block. This whole neighborhood is probably 100 houses from fucking 20 blocks that way, 20 blocks that way.
Full of hookers and bums.
Drugs and money.
No one will mess with you around here.
Police came earlier. Just make sure we wasn't stealing nothing and we was careful. They said if they had any complaints, they'd have to run us off, but we was all right for now.
Easy money.
And the economy's shit.
Can't get a job.
For this still, we're getting 11 cents a pound, but if you're taking copper, you get like $2.50 a pound.
It goes somewhere and gets melted.
It can go all over, wherever, it'll go wherever. China.
Why is it going to China?
So they can make shit and send it back here and sell it for more.
We got into this problem by doing the most dangerous thing a country can do. We misread our environment at the end of the Cold War. We thought we could actually put our feet up. In fact, by winning in the Cold War, we unleashed a world with 2 billion more people just like us, competitors.
America has been an exceptional country, but exceptionalism is not a distinction bestowed on a country once that it gets to keep for life, like an honorary degree. Exceptionalism has to be earned every day.
We're going to have to start making more stuff.
I actually think that we need to start looking at other countries and looking at what makes them successful.
China's really become a mirror for us of things that we feel we once had, particularly the ability to act collectively. Look at the country today, what's going on. We're having a financial crisis, and our politicians are having an election.
Time is running out. You see, time is running out.